This is an Extrude Hone Model Vector 66. Serial number is R00-1121.
All right, let's take a look around. Come around the machine, point out some things, and come back fired up, Dean. So this we can hold off with all of this. Nothing up here much to look at. Just coming back around for a quick overview. Hydraulic system up through here with standard electrics, Extrude Hone. Currently wired, I've got it temped in at 220 volts, low voltage. So we're good there. Control transformer on the side. Everything's just temped in here as we come along here. On the unit, there's our gauge. Like I said, we've got everything kind of facing this way. This is the three-phase for the chiller, which is right over there. We'll pass that by in a second. So hydraulic system, chiller connection for this after cooler right here. Come on around, maybe take a quick look on the box. Fluorescent lights on. I got the cover off. It's all pretty clean, in good shape. As you move, watch out, we got the air line plugged in, temporary, to get about, I think we're at about 1700 PSI on the clamp pressure. And here's, of course, is the chiller with our plugs, which would be for the oil. Coming around to the control panel here. I think I'm open up here, yeah. Kind of show the control panel. Currently powered on, in a run condition. Micrologics 1000. It's all clean, looking good. One new counter in here. That's all set. And before we fire up, maybe we'll take a quick look in the front too, and just kind of see what we got. Maybe take a look down on the other side there. It's pretty clean, encoder system. There's no media coming out or bypassing the pistons. They look like they might be in pretty good shape. No oil leaks down low. Looks clear. And that said, the only other thing of consequence is, of course, it's got a sliding piece right here. I'm not sure what they were doing. We took the tooling plates off. They're on the side. This is my just soft phenolic material, whatever, just something to cause a little bit of back pressure so that the media counter will count. So I'm just going to throw this on here, which causes us to have to clamp down pretty low, but I reach it. And we'll do a cycle. I'm going to do about 5 cycles at 150 cubic inches, and we can kind of watch pressures and such and see how it all works. I'll power it up. I've got 5 cycles set, like I said, at 150 cubic inches, and we could play around, but I'm currently running down low on the clock at the media pressure about right over here. I think I'm going to be right around 700 or 800. And it's just kind of nice and easy, just to show that it cycles, cubic inches go through. Clamp pressure's over here. We'll show it when I do it, but I think I'm going to be right around 1700. I have to get at least to 1500 before the clamp close light comes on. It won't let me into the circuit otherwise. In fact, that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's just clamp it up, run a cycle, then we'll open it up and maybe take a look at the media cylinders. Make sure I didn't leave anything up there, huh? Are we clear? Coming down pretty low. As soon as I hit the clamp, you'll see the clamp pressure gauge down here hit. We have another 2 inches to go. There it goes. The air booster pump picks up. Like I said, I need this clamp light on, otherwise I can give it more air. There we go. I've got just enough to run right there. So that said, again, 5 cycles at 150 cubic inches. All I'm going to do is flip the auto and let it take off. Advanced bottom. All the lights seem to work pretty good, which is nice. Not much on there. There's the media pressure just climbed up there. So, and at the same time, we are counting over here on media displacement. Right here. 150. Top's going down now. Climb up there one more time, and clamp pressure's holding. Like I said, I get at least one good close-up of this thing while it's going on here, and I can kind of slow it down or speed it up on the pressure. That's going real slow now. If you get up on the clock, we're at 120, take forever. That's at 600. If I kick it up to about 900 maybe, 850, that's going to go a little bit faster. Top's going down. Maybe we can take a quick one around while the hydraulics are running and come back to the last cycle here. Oh, looks pretty good. You probably get the gauge as you come through here. Sounds pretty good. Running good. Sounds good. You might see a kick whenever the reverse the cylinder. There he is. Right? We can come back around here. That all sounds good. Steel clamp. Coming tight on this. We're on third cycle. We're getting close. It's going nice and easy. It's counting up to 150. I don't know if we can get the encoder down here. You probably can't see it. We can look anyhow. You need a real good close-up of this. Maybe you get a close-up of the encoder rolling here. That's all. Looks like a brand new one on there, but that's the encoder. There you go. You might be able to see that thing going around. Just following the piston rod up and down. Yeah, reverses, going back up now. This is our last cycle, so we can kind of pull back and watch it. And as soon as the alarm goes off, I'll open it up and see they both retract now, top and bottom at the same time. There it is. And so, manual shuts off the beeper. Let me retract the top for a little bit. I don't know how much this putty is up in there. We'll find out though. And bring the bottom down a little bit. Just so I can, otherwise we're going to open up anyhow and take some media out of there. So automatic reset when I unclamp. Let me get over here maybe. There we go. Get the other side. Take it up some, see if we can get a little light in there. At least take a look at the bottom cylinder, see what kind of shape it's in. It's not in bad condition at all. There we go, I might do it. Stay off to the side here, and I'll kind of pull this out of here, make my mess. And let me see if I can push some of this out of here. I'll cut it off, and we can kind of take a look inside there, Dean, and see if we can get a little bit of a look at the condition of the cylinders. There we go. That'd be enough to see the first 6 or 8 inches. And turn it back down. Let's see what we got. There we go. You probably get a, without me shining the light, can you see it on the camera okay? I'll get a light on there maybe. Let's see. Hang on. Just anything. Just something to... A little bit of light anyhow. It's not bad. A couple lines. Nothing crazy. So, just to kind of give a... In fact, mostly that's media right there, so that's about it. So good to go on that one.